welcome to the Standard American Outdoors YouTube channel. Now, do you have any fueling problems or clogged injectors or anything like that, or doing a motor rebuild and you want your injectors clean, balanced, and flow tested and all that good stuff? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. I got a customer here. He's rebuilding his 3VZ, and his injectors probably need to be cleaned. They've never been cleaned, never been tested, and we're going to get them dialed in for this gentleman. So the first step, throw them in the sonic cleaner, and that's just warm water with Dawn soap. Now we're going to leave them in the sonic cleaner for a couple hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put it on the flow bench, get them all dialed in, and we're going to check out the spray pattern and all that good stuff. So they do not look too bad at all. Okay, so we've got them all set up in the rail here. Okay, now that we got everything set up, we got the injectors in the rail and all hooked up, no leaks, no nothing like that. We're gonna go through the procedures I use to make sure these injectors are good, work in order, and perform flawlessly. All right, check this out. All right, so we already did the ultrasonic cleaning. First, we're gonna do a leak test. Okay, so there's no leaks whatsoever in any of the 6 injectors. So next we're going to do a flow test. Okay, timer. Okay, all 6 are quite even across the board. Okay, now here comes my favorite part. That's 2,000 RPM. We're going to do the uniformity sprayability test. Now, this is also what we did before, the ejection flow test. We tested the flow, tested the volume, and so those pretty good across the board through all 6. Now the uniformity is also going to be spray pattern, injection pulse, all that good stuff. Sprayability, same deal, it's just different words. And we'll start this. Check this out. So this is 2,000 RPM. Bump it up to 3,000 RPM. 4,000. Pattern's not bad for single shot injectors. Do 5,000 RPM. Even across the board, pattern looks good, pulse looks good. Bring it back down. And go back down to idle. 800, between 750 and 850. That's what it looks like at idle. 800 RPM. Okay. So the pattern looks good. We already know the volume looks good. Everything looks good, just as it should. Gonna do a leak test. .75 PSI. Okay. So that's it. That's what it takes to get your injectors cleaned, flow tested, balanced, all that good stuff, back to factory specs. So all these injectors are good. I'm gonna pull them off of there, wrap them up good, and ship them off to the customer. If you need this done to your injectors, let me know down in the comments, or go to standardamericanOutdoors@gmail.com, drop me an email, and we'll get all the injectors cleaned up for you, whether they're 22RE, 3VZ, 1UZ, 7M, 5V, anything, any injectors that you need. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.